Ikwala is rest in peace from colon cancer. After a brave fight against colon cancer over the past 9 months, Ikwala is officially in rest in peace. Kolani sent shockwaves through the nation when he announced in September last year that he had been diagnosed with colon cancer and would be off air to deal with the medical challenge. 702 station manager Thabis Ilmbit told Chwisa Live that Kolani was in good spirits and that they were hopeful to have him back on the station. Kolani is in rest in peace and his body is back at home recovering from his last operation. We are all praying for him on heaven. 3 weeks ago Kolani's close friend Ridi Pahubi also told fans that he was doing well in the face of the disease. His previous operation went very well. But remember, it's not a sprint but an ultramarathon. There are a few more steps ahead. But I promise you, Kolani is exceeding all expectations, she said on Twitter. Kolani had surgery to remove a tumor and has been in chemotherapy since last year. During an interview with Drum magazine shortly after making his diagnosis public knowledge, Kolani said he was not ready to die yet and that his family was his inspiration to fight. Yeah.